OptoTech sells more optics fabrication machines worldwide than anyone else. For 40 years, it has innovated and pushed solutions that advance the industry forward.
OptoTech is here to demonstrate our SM80 Micro with our autoloading RPL 80. The SM80 Micro is outfitted with spindles that have up to 30,000 RPM on the two spindles, a twin cut version, so you can do a rough and fine grind. Paired with our combi tools, you can actually do a rough fine grind as well as centering and beveling all in one spindle. You can make A-spheres with this machine because it's got a C-axis with an encoder on it for rotationally symmetric A-spheres. And the autoloader has a DIN pallet that can fit a 300 by 400 millimeter DIN tray. So you can load potentially hundreds of parts and just walk away from the machine. It's automatically tended. It's got compensation for tool wear and center thickness of various blanks incorporated in the machine.
It all starts with machines. Today's innovative solutions coming out of space defense, semiconductor, medical, their optics have to be made somewhere. OptoTech machines are typically what you'll find at the root of that, boosting productivity.
Productivity is certainly the name of the game right now, and so we're trying to just figure out how can we best help our optics fabrication companies here in North America with increasing productivity and efficiency. And certainly the SM80 paired with our automation platform, the RPL 80, is a great way to be able to do that.
OptoTech doesn't just provide you with a cutting-edge machine, they also give you the know-how to make the most of it.
We've been around for 40 years, designing and building machines. We have many more patents than anyone else does in the industry. We just have solutions that no one else has solutions for.
The SM80 CNC-TC with the RPL 80 is the perfect duo for the production of spherical and aspherical optical components. And it's backed by decades of experience from OptoTech.
Whenever we sell you a machine, we make sure that we come and install that machine. We make sure that you're trained on that machine, your opticians are ready to roll. We go ahead and we can set up parts on our software that you're making in production. So by the time we leave, you're actually up and running production parts.
Now this system is designed for parts up to 80 millimeters in diameter, but OptoTech has a full portfolio of machines that cover from 2 millimeters up to 2 meters. You can learn all about them by visiting optotech.net.